and welcome back. In this video, I will be discussing in detail about how to create a vendor in Odoo 14. So let's move on to purchase module. Under orders, you can find vendors. So here we can see all the vendors created. So here it is filtered according to vendor bills. So if we close this, you can see all the vendors with some details like his name and some tags, then country, state country, then email ID, and here you can see favorites, then meetings and all. Some few details are shown in the Canvan view, and we also have a list view for our vendors with some details. Then we can create a new vendor by clicking create button. So you can see a form is shown which contains informations like you can give name of the company or individual. So if it's individual, then you can add the first, let's add a name. So this is a related company. If you wish to add a related company, you can add that. Then address type. So if it is address type is invoice address, delivery address, or other address, or private address. So according to that, you can add the things. So here I'm adding contact address. Then here for address, you can add the name. That is, here you can add the name, street name, then house can be added. Some new options are added in Odoo 14 for your company address, house name, then door can be added, then street too. Then here we can add state, then zip code, then country can be added. Then along with that, we have a new field that is GST treatment can be added for this vendor. Then VAT, which is a tax identification number. So complete it if the contract is subject to government taxes. So it is used in some legal statements. Can add that if it is needed. Then job position of this vendor, if it is linked with employee. If he is an employee, you can add a job position. Then phone number, mobile, email ID, website link. You can add a website link here. Then title can be added, that like Mr., Madam, Miss, like that way you can add title for your vendor. Then tags can be added. Tags can be like consulting services. So in this way you can add tags for your vendor. Then here we can add contacts and address for your supplier. So here we can select like contact, invoice address, delivery address. So according to that, you can set the contact name, address, then shipping, GST, notes, email ID, phone, mobile number. So suppose and delivery address. Then if I save this, you can see contact will be added. So here you can see an icon also, is a large icon shown for this person. Then here you can see a tab that is sales and purchase. So for setting some options for sales and purchase, here you can see a section for sales by adding salesperson related with this vendor. Then delivery method, can see all the delivery methods. Shipping methods can be added. Then payment terms, condition, that is payment condition can be added for this person. Then you can add the price list. Then purchase, for purchase section you can add the payment terms also. Then receipt reminder can be set. So you can set receipt reminder. So this is a new feature in Odoo 14. We can automatically send a confirmation email to the vendor some days before the expected receipt date. So asking him to confirm the exact date of delivering, of creating receipt. Then we can add physical position, that is used for tax mapping or account mapping. For this vendor, you can add a physical position. Then miscellaneous operations, you can see reference can be added, then company, then website. So we can restrict in publishing to a website. Then inventory information, which contains customer location, can add that. Customer location, then vendor location, then subcontractor location, which is used in case of inventory, stock move and all. Then we have accounting tab for this vendor, like adding bank accounts, account number. Then accounting entries including account receivable and account payable. So you can in default you can see some values, you can change that. Then in internal notes you can add internal note. Then we can set warnings on sale order. You can add warnings with no message, or warning can be set. If you select this option, you have to add a warning message. Then blocking message, to block this vendor from purchasing products from this vendor. So this is seen while you're creating a purchase order or sale order for this vendor. Purchase order for this vendor. Then you can see warning on the picking. So while receiving products or picking product, you can set warning. So this one is actually for sale order, and this one is for picking orders. Same way we can create warning or blocking message for picking. Then you can see above some options to see the opportunities of this vendor, and meetings if created meetings. Then sales, sale orders, purchases. Then on time rate can be seen. Then invoiced total amount can be seen. Then vendor bills count can be seen. Then when you click more, you can see the partner ledger, then documents attached. We can also set image for this vendor. After that we can save this. So we have created a vendor, and when you come here, you can see vendor is created, and you can see the other contacts created inside that vendor, and the tags can be seen here with country, state details. So this is how we create vendor in Odoo 14. If you are interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop your request to odoo@cybrosys.com.